the OGAT out here in Azusa, California. The Banks engineer, and we're going to pick up a pedal monster for the OGAT mobile over there. And we'll see what kind of trouble we can get in with that. It's just supposed to be a simple installation. Run it off your cell phone and give you better pedal response. It was suggested by Ford over the Ford Tune. Just because of having to run gas and 91 octane and all those fun things that cost $1 million out here in California. So we'll check it out and see. All right, this is it. This is the whole kit and caboodle. We're here at Banks Engineering, and this is the Banks complex here in Azusa. Turbochargers, all sorts of fun things. And I remember back in the day when I was building boats back in the late 70s that we were putting Gale Banks boat motors in some of the Challenger boats and some of the other boats. And I believe he was doing exhaust systems and all sorts of fun stuff. So down memory lane we go. And now we're going to go put this thing on, and we'll continue this video. The OGAT. I'm going to do a quick unboxing on the Banks pedal monster that we just picked up. And here's part of it. This is the so what all this does is this plugs into your throttle with that part right there, and the other part plugs into the truck using this cable here, and then everything is run from your phone. Isn't that amazing? And look, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, a sticker. We always like stickers. And it looks like we have some zip ties and other fun stuff. So we're going to finish lunch, and then we will go out and install after reading the directions, of course. Look at that. It's the big turbo beast in the Ranger. So we've disconnected the battery as per the instructions. And now we will go under here and disconnect this, if I remember how. There we go. Where'd it go? All right. So we see that, and we will hook the loom into that. We've hooked loom male to female, female to male, and we have the pedal monster here, and in the pedal monster we will hook the extension cable that goes to the port. We have the harness hooked into the OBD port, and it goes in the back of the pedal monster. Right now we don't we leave it down here because we gotta now get it to link up. So we will go to the app. We're going to put the battery back on, and then we will go to the app. All right. Well, we have the app here. Let's see what we got. Oh, we need to turn on the car. That would be a good idea. Fully power on the car. Hang on. Alright, press the bottom button on the bottom of the side of the pedal monster to put it into a pairing mode. Alright. Alright, we have pressed the button. Alright, we are paired. And we're going to begin the calibration. Oh, to press your pedal. Alright. So now we get to select our vehicle, which is I guess Ford and Standard. Alright, so we've calibrated everything, and one thing we got to be careful about is this does not have the reverse deal, so we can make sure we're careful with our throttle because it's not listed. We'll contact them on that and check it out. We're going to start it up, take it out, take it for a spin. See you in a minute. We're in city mode. No, we're in sport mode. We're in sport mode, but we're not in sport gearing. So generally this thing has major lag when it takes off, and now it doesn't. So that's without a tune. That's about 3 notches up on the app. I can go a little bit more aggressive. That's pretty impressive. We'll have to try track mode when it gets a little darker and we don't have a lot of people around. But it's pretty cool. Great, easy install. And we'll check back. But that's what we were in sport mode. 4 notches up, so not quite halfway. So we could tinker with it a little bit, and we'll try it in city, we'll try it in track. There's a bunch of different options, so pretty cool. I like it because I got a lead foot. Out.